I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek on what the Suites App Central actually is. So here I've created 15 applications for you that you can use to improve your digital biz or create a digital biz. Okay. So here are the applications. It's easy. Just click a button and you'll be able to go through them. I'm going to show you a couple of them now. This one is the coloring book one. All you have to do is type in a prompt and then you can add to the book. And that's going to generate your image. Your image is now generated. You can click to download the individual image or you can create a book. For each prompt, it creates a different page. And then right here, you can add in the blank page insert. So like when you're doing coloring books, you want to have the blank pages in between each of the pages that you're coloring so that the marker doesn't bleed if they're using markers. And then you can just download it as a PDF. And there you have it. You have full coloring book, blank pages in between. All you have to do is bring this into Canva and just create the cover of your book. And it's that simple. Another application in here is to make graphics. So you can come in here and say you want to do a clip art of a watercolor course. Click generate. It's going to generate your artwork and there you go. Then you can download it and you have your PNG of your own clip art. And then another one is the ebook builder. Now I really love this one. You can type in your title, subtitle, author name, the target audience, your niche, and then you have content style. So the type of book that you're making. You can create your tone and style, how many chapters you want. Here's some design aspects. So you can have images generated by prompts or captions, and you can type in what you want to see. There's a marketing add-on. It gives you a sales page copy, social media copy, and email marketing sequences. So it gives you marketing material and you can download it as a PNG. There's also Digital Foundry. So this is going to help you with your brand identity and with digital products. This is your dashboard. It just shows you what you have completed. You can go in here and click on your brand identity. So say the product is going to be digital target audience, busy moms, and the vibe is soft girl boss. Generate identity. Now you have your brand identity. Name suggestions. If you don't have a name yet, you can use one of the Graceful Grind Planner. Then up here, it shows the project that you're working on. Here, it gives you a slogan for your planner. Here's the tone of voice. And here's a color palette. And then in the product description, it already has the digital planner. You can generate ideas and then it gives you ideas. So this is a planner. This is a course. This is an ebook. I'm going to go with planner. It says 2024, but you can change that. And then it'll automatically pull in the name. Just make sure that this aligns with what you're making. So digital planner, description, and target audience. And then you can click generate structure. And what it's going to do is going to create a product outline for you. And here's the outline. So you get a checklist of what your product is going to be. Then you can export the checklist as a PDF and it gives you the checklist for you. And then you can take it a step further and go to Creation Intelligence. It's going to tell you how to create your planner in Canva and you can export the guide and it gives you a guide on how to create your design. Then you can click on marketing and create marketing material. It gives you taglines and hooks. It gives you 3 social media posts. It gives you your email subject line. It gives you 3 emails. Then this one is your bestie. You can come in here and type a topic. I'm going to go with digital planners for busy mom and hit generate. And it's going to generate some hooks. Then if I like one of these, I'll just pick that one. Then you can go to Post Crafter and select which type of post you want to make. I'm going to make an Instagram post. I'm going to put in the hook and I'm going to make it, I will just make it witty for now. You can choose which one you want. Click Craft Post and here's your social media post. You can copy it and put it into your social media. The other thing that there is, you can add an image here and say you want an image of yourself, but you want to change the color of the shirt. You can just do that really quickly by adding an image here, putting in the text what you want to change, and click generate, and the image will come here and you can download it. There's a section for daily task. So you can add a new task, like type text, and then click on it when it's done. And then here's some games for you. So there's a word guess, test yourself, or a memory match. The word guess is, you just figure out what the word is. The test yourself is trivia, and it's for digital entrepreneurs. So it's going to give you trivia questions that will help you understand more about the digital space, and it's going to test your knowledge. And the last one is memory match. So you're just going to click on these different ones. It gives you just different icons to do memory match. Then when you get them all right, you can restart it or go back to the games. So that was a few of the applications that are included in this bundle. You can do literally so much with it. And this was just a little preview.